how do you stow your trapeze? Well, there's that other video of mine about how you stow it in the push-through bar. But then, what about this? You take the trapeze out, and then you pull it, and you get kind of hurt. You get hurt in your shoulder, possibly your neck, because you've locked your trapeze. When a trapeze is stowed, it should be unlocked and free to move. And that's how you move it. You move it with one hand up on the top bar and one hand on the bottom. You can just pull from the bottom, but the key here is it needs to be unlocked. If you lock it and a person pulls on it, then they get hurt. So unlock your trapeze until then it's set where you need it to be, and then you lock. Do you lock both sides? You shouldn't need to lock both sides. Lock one side, that's all you need. If on your trapeze you have to lock both sides, something's wrong with your trapeze. So I encourage you, only lock it when it's in use. One side should be plenty. Then you unlock it, slide it back into place, stow it away, keep it unlocked. Enjoy your trapeze.